Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add friends in Stumble Guys and how to play with your friends. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll have to do, and you'll have to do this on both your friend's account and your account, you'll have to click up here in the top right corner on the settings button, and then you should make sure that the server region right here is the same. So you can click here to change it. For me it's Europe, so yeah, just make sure it's the same for your friend and yours. And then the next step would be to click right here on the party button, and then you can click on create party on one of the devices. Then it takes a while, and there we go, now we've created a party. And then right here is the room code that your friend will have to enter on their device. So let me just show you where they have to enter it. Right here where it says room code, they'll have to enter the code, whatever it was, but doesn't matter, the room is closed anyways now. And then just click on join, and then you should be able to play together with them. And you can't actually add friends in this game, but that's the way you can play together with them. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and comment down below if it worked. Thank you for watching. Bye.